Hello friends, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome you all guys in MK Helpdesk YouTube channel. So today we are have a good opportunity for you. Global Peace Summit Dubai 2022 GPS Summit. Okay, uh, so keep watching this video till the end. In the end of video, I will share you the web link also and also tell details in during this video. Okay, so if you are new on our YouTube channel, so please do subscribe this channel for the regular updates of our videos. Okay, uh, so on this channel we used to upload videos related to scholarship exchange programs and many videos we upload on our YouTube channel, so you will get notification of that all videos, right? So please do subscribe our channel. So without wasting our time, we will I am telling you the all details about Global Peace Summit Dubai. Here I am sharing the details about this GPS program, GPS Summit. So Global Peace Summit Dubai 2022 is a great platform for outstanding, motivated, extraordinary, and peace builders from around the globe. The aim of fully funded conference is together like-minded individuals and young leaders under one roof from all over the world. Okay, so the main purpose behind this amazing opportunity is to guide youth about the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and help them to achieving these 17 UN SDGs. Okay, so the Global Peace Chain Summit 2022 invites peace builders from around the globe. Yeah, the globe, the Global Peace Chain is an international organization, and its vision is to promote peace around the world. So basically, the motive of this conference is developing peace all around the globe. The best thing about GPC summit is there is no need of IELTS and TOEFL and any other English language proficiency requirements. The GPC Youth Summit will be uh, in Dubai, February 23rd to 26th February. Okay, the Global Peace Chain provides 15 fully funded seats. Total total seats are 150 seats, and in that 15 fully funded, 25 partially funded, and 110 110 self-funded seats. Okay, so here you can see the all details Global Peace Summit in Dubai in 2022. The hosting organization is Global Peace Chain. Summit location Dubai. Summit duration 4 days. Summit dates as I already told you, 23rd to 26th February. Number of seats, total seats 150, 15 fully funded, 25 partially funded, 110 is self-funded seats. So Global Peace Summit Dubai benefit is 15 fully funded seats. I already told you. In that you will get airfare, accommodation, visa assistance, opportunity to interact with global leaders, meet with like-minded young social entrepreneurs, a chance to share your social impacts, peace, education and leadership capability building sessions, diplomatic panel, diplomatic panel talks, keynote speeches, focused group discussion, group activities, awards, certificates, and many gala night cultural presentation. Okay, now we will talk about the eligibility criteria. Mm, Then the eligibility criteria is young leader from all over the globe can apply. The applicant must be 16 to 40 year age. Students, professional graduates from any field can apply. The applicant must be motivated against interested in achieving UN SDGs. Okay. So how can we apply? Now you have. we have in question, how can we apply? So the application must be submitted online. Fill all required blank carefully. Answer the questions properly. Don't exceed the word limit. Pay the application fee. Upload all required documents, and required documents from GPS Turkey 2021, payment receipt, national ID card or passport, professional picture, Global Peace Summit 2022 deadline. The last date to apply for GPC Summit is 15th Jan 2022 at 11:59. Okay, so how to we can apply? So here I'm sharing the website link in description box. So please tap on that link and you will directed to this official website, and you can find all the details here. Okay. So I think I cover these all details in this video, and if you now also having any questions, then you can comment below. Yeah. So now I am showing you the interface of official website which I mentioned in comment box. So here you can see that all details which I already told you in our video. So here the time slot and the timetable is also mentioned here. Global Peace Summit Dubai agenda, and what in what time duration, what type of event will going to happen. The all things are mentioned here. Okay. So term and conditions. You can read it carefully, and after that uh, press tap on next. Submission in when you are on the stage of submitting the form, that time you have to fill these all things: name, email ID, phone number, country, nationality, city, home address, emergency contact, date of birth, national ID, gender, institute or organization name, your LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter account, language you speak, departure, airport, city. So fill these all details, and here we have three questions. So try to answer these all questions properly, and keep this thing in mind while answering these questions, that limit should not be exceed. Maximum limit is 300 words. Then keep this thing in mind, maximum limit should not be exceed. Okay. So pay this application fees. Pay by this application fees will be paid by PayPal, and attach your all documents here and submit. Yeah, here we also have an signature option. Select this marker here from here and your signature here. Okay. So recheck these all information again and submit this form, right? So this is how we can apply for this conference. So please go through that quickly and book your slot. Okay. So thank you, all the best.